Hi, I'm Brendan from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble the booster mode of the Graco Table2Table Lux Highchair. Remove the lower legs and footrest by unscrewing the bottoms and pulling off the footrest. Remove the upper legs by pressing the buttons in and pulling. Store these pieces away. Turn the seat over to access the booster straps. They can be found on the underside of the seat base. Slide the strap doors open and pull the 4 straps out. Next, put the booster on a dining room chair and buckle the straps. The pair of straps at the back of the booster should wrap around the back of the dining room chair, and the pair of straps at the front of the booster should wrap around the base of the chair. Adjust the straps and check to make sure the booster is securely attached by moving side to side. You can use the booster mode with the tray or pull right up to the table. Now you are ready to use your booster.